For those of you that don't know me, I work for a liquor distributor down in Baltimore, and one of our products that we sell is Clase Azul Tequila. World-renowned, highly regarded as one of the very best tequilas in the world. And one of the coolest things about it is it comes in this very cool hand-painted bottle. When someone from Clase Azul came to me and asked me to make them some flight trays, of course I said yes. I was thinking they might want 5, 10. They want 100. This is the first time I've ever done a big batch of anything. It's a different workflow, that's for sure. This is the flight tray that I came up with for the Blanco, Reposado, Añejo, or maybe the Mezcal, however they want to do it at each individual restaurant. But I think this is super cool. So we'll go down in the shop and I'll show you how I made them. I've been at it since about 2 o'clock this morning. It's almost 6 now. But I got quite the stack going. We just lost power mid-carve here. That's no good. So now I've got to attempt to cut through here by hand. It's not much, thankfully. Good stuff. Use the sled here because it's got a bit of a warp to it, so we'll see how it goes over here. This has the potential to get pretty squirrely. I really had to squeeze and manipulate to get all 8 of these on this board. So the CNC might run into some trouble, but we're gonna find out. actually worked. Didn't have a whole lot of faith in that, but it worked out well. Since these will undoubtedly get wet, they need to be water popped in between the grains. So I was just sanding at 180. We're going to spray them with some water and then hit them again with 220 to get a super smooth finish that will endure getting wet. Alright, now we're going to let them dry for a while. Final sand, get them into the laser.
It was in essence a sophisticated heat beam which we called a laser.
I built this jig to position everything perfectly, in theory anyway. Still going to frame it and make sure, but it should be set up as is. Go. All right, I'm gonna go do that 100 more times. And now my favorite part of any project, the finish, which in this case is just some food grade mineral oil. And all we're gonna do is dunk them in. Swish them around a little bit. Well, shit. This one's so cool. I love the spalting in it. There we go. We'll let these air dry for a while, wipe them down, and this batch is done.